Here's an iseo 5 pinner. Not sure where it come from. I think it's from dogs. But anyway, haven't picked it yet. So bear with me. I'm going to use the homemade one on this. See how we get on. Counter rotation there, bloody loads. Don't know if I got that or not. Oops, another full set. More counter there. Bloody hell, more counter. And we go. One iseo 5 pinner. Bloody hell, there's a lot of spools in that. I'm going to have to gut that after. 5 pinner definitely, yeah. Interesting. That'll be interesting to see what's inside that. And I'll show you when I've done it. Cheers.